The first thing you want to do is you simply want to go into the Disney Plus website like so. You can just find it on literally any local web browser, and once you're on the website, you're actually going to want to log into your account to see what subscription plan you have currently. Now, if you click on the view all plan options once you're logged in, you can actually get a nice display of all the different subscription plans. We can actually see Hulu with Disney Plus, plus Disney Plus, plus ESPN. You actually have to get the plan with ESPN Plus, because if you don't have ESPN Plus, you cannot watch any live sports with Disney Plus. And once you've actually upgraded your plan to one of the plans that does include ESPN Plus, what you're going to want to do is you want to open up another tab and just type in ESPN like so, ESPN Plus. As you can see, you simply just want to log in to your account when you're on this website like so. You can actually show you they're advertising the same thing that is trying to get you to get this bundle on this website too, but you basically just want to log in the top right hand corner of the screen. You can actually log in with using whatever email you have associated with your Disney Plus, and once you've logged in to ESPN Plus website, you can simply stream any live sports, stream whatever you want, and the same goes for Disney Plus. You can actually log in, but you can't actually stream the sports on the Disney Plus app. You actually have to log into the ESPN Plus website once you've upgraded your subscription plan, and yeah, that's how you can stream live sports on Disney Plus. Hopefully you found this helpful.